Hi! So the tattoo sewer's back, and basically I haven't sewn anything for at least 2 hours, so getting itchy again. I don't know what to do. I've got this dress I've been looking at. It's one of my old dresses. Kind of cute. It's got some anchors on. Nice neck because I like scoopy neck. The only problem with it is it's a dress. I don't wear dresses. I don't know why I buy dresses. I continually buy dresses that I wear once and then I never wear again. And this one, there was an unfortunate incident that involved my skirt, my tights, and an embarrassing moment in Lidl. So I've never worn it since then, and I'm traumatised and don't want to talk about it again. So I've no idea what I'm going to do with it other than it's not going to be a dress anymore. So I'm thinking, I don't know, what do you think? Top? Take it off here, add something around the bottom. I don't know. So basically what's going to happen is I am going to start chopping it up and see what happens. Could be a disaster, could be a masterpiece, who knows. Okay, I'm going to go for it. I'm just going to cut the top off. The top off. I've left the side zip on till I decide what I'm going to do with it. I don't want to cut it off just in case. So now I'm going to take the skirt and make it into a bigger piece of fabric as possible to give me options and hopefully some inspiration. So basically I've got my fabric. I'm going to iron it and hopefully come up with a plan because I'm just winging it. Alexa, what should I turn my dress into?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Well, that was helpful. My ideas so far are like a peplum, maybe. So it kind of like got flappy bits down the bottom. Actually, I don't know. I think I'm going to go with a bit of a waistband and a peplum. I might even use the belt that was with this dress to make the waistband. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I've cut out my one piece. I've got to remember to try and keep it this way because of obviously I don't want the anchors all the wrong way around. Cut this one with a curve so that can go over my hips. That's the plan anyway. I'm going to need to do another one of those and then I'm going to do a few that are straight, so they go around the front and the back. I've no idea how this is going to work. This could be like a fail video. I might have to title it Thrift Flip, Thrift Flip Fail. Or just something really easy like I did it wrong. I think that's going to work, but I am going to have to take the side zip out because that side bit just won't hang right with a zip in it. So I'm going to take that side zip out, do up the seam, and then I'm going to put a zip in the back. Okay, eventually I got the side zip out, so boom, I'm now going to sew down the side seam. Okay, side seam done. Now I'm going to cut a line down the back and put in a zip and put my waistband on. Right, I've cut the back seam ready for the zip, and I'm now putting on that what was the belt to make it into the waistband. So I'm putting that on first before I put the zip in, so that I know exactly how much fabric I have got to work with. The top is finished, so ta-da! Now the only thing left to do is see if it actually fit. So I'm going to try it on and then we can take a look. Whoa, I'm not trying it on in front of you guys. There we go then. It turned out all right. Happy days. Even though I winged it through the whole thing, it come out all right and I would wear it. So I've now changed that dress that I wouldn't wear into a top that I will wear, and somewhere, where is it? Oh no, somewhere I've put it away I think. I've got a big chunk of fabric left over so I can use that for another project. So all is good. So if you want to see more things like this, you know what to do. You like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that business. You can visit me on strawberryvintage.com and you can visit me at Strawberry Vintage on YouTube as well. Have a great day, take care, keep sewing, love to you all, bye.